All right, the second day here in the Netherlands, in Rotterdam. I'm gonna go try to play my second course. So hopefully it goes pretty well. If worse comes worse with the driving range, learn a little bit about the course itself and take a tour of this
No
facility.
tee times booked, no call ahead, just dreams of fairways in my head. Rotterdam waits, the sky turns blue. I have golf shoes instead of a clue. Off to De Hooge Rotterdam I go, past bikes and trams walking slow. Grab a snack to fuel the grind, a sandwich, juice, espresso combined. Their website, unless I couldn't read, the website is public, but that's all I need. Up the hills with golf clubs in my hand, hoping there's space and they will understand. Stopped at a shop for snacks and fuel, a sandwich, water, caffeine, my rule. The hills are steep, my legs got loud. The climb with clubs, I'm feeling proud. The website, Dutch, I took a guess. No tea time, I got golf obsessed. At the gates, I paused and took a look. Rolling hills and grass so green. It's like a bad espresso, the bitter sweet. The walk turns steep, the lungs start to burn. I round the bend and there's the turn. Fairways wide, flagsticks wave, a quiet calm, a scene that seems pretty brave.
We're here at our second course in the Netherlands. All right, I'm at my second course for Rotterdam, that is the Netherlands. We're going out here. We're really playing some international golf here. It's a little different. We're meters, so we got to do a little bit of math out here. But this is a nice course to get out here and
I
play.
pull out my phone, snap the view. Day 2, chasing golf with real no clue. Posted on IG, heart feels thrilled, hoping the likes start to roll in while I chill. No tea time, but it feels right. A quiet course, soft morning light, espresso buzz, snack in hands, bathroom stop. This must be the plan. Will I play? Who really knows? But the story goes, and the journey, well, it will continue to flow. Got lucky and booked a tea time in place. My spirit was high, relief and smile on my face. Snapped a quick pic, post right before I go. Tea time booked in person, just me, let's go. Espresso buzz, shake in hand. Bathroom break before I hit my official plan. No stress, just golf and fun. Rotterdam courses. Well, here I come.